Don't you hate it when you've taken a portrait photo, then need a landscape version of it? Let me show you how you can expand your images using Adobe Firefly. Head on over to firefly.adobe.com and hop into Generative Fill. Find your poorly oriented photo, then switch to the Expand tool over to the left. Straight from the options at the bottom, you can choose your new aspect ratio, like landscape. Or you can drag the handles in any direction for more control. Now, if you have something really specific you want to fill the area with, you can enter a prompt here. Otherwise, pressing Generate will start the process of expanding the image with what would likely be outside the original bounds. And just like that, you have the picture-perfect photo to download and post on Instagram. Or throw it over to Adobe Express to add some fun text, effects, and even animation. What else do you want to learn about Firefly? Post your comments down below and I'll see you all next time.